GST SQL Loader. The GST SQL Loader is an underground rail-bound mucking loader. Its main function is to clean development ends by loading broken rock into hoppers. The SQL Loader is the only electromechanical underground loader of its kind, where the operator is working from an enclosed cabin and under supported ground, even when barring. Let's look at some of the daily challenges we face when it comes to the cleaning of development ends. This will help us understand why the GST loader is such a revolutionary design. Challenges: safety, derailing. Because the unit currently in use is not stationary, it can easily derail or tip over, causing serious injuries. Barring. Before loading can occur, barring must be done manually. Employees work directly under the danger zone. Labor-intensive. While operating the rock shovel, operators need to move next to the shovel. Hazards like loose rocks, slippery conditions, physical fatigue, and pinning makes it extremely dangerous. Efficiency. Air dependent. If the compressed air quality is not optimal, the loader becomes very ineffective. Manually operated. Shovels are manually operated, making the loading slow and labor-intensive. Loading size. The small bucket size can only handle 8 to 25 tons per hour. Cost. Filling capacity. Because of the shovel's throw action, hoppers aren't filled effectively, losing up to 25% of its fill capacity. Time consuming. With a rock shovel, 5 to 6 hours are spent to clean a development end. Dangerous. Because of the dangerous work practice, incident rates at development ends are very high. The vision. GST's R&D team conceptualized the SQL loader. It was designed to be a safe, efficient, and cost-effective loading tool that will bridge the challenges we face with manual operated loading. The solution: safe. Mechanical barring. Operators sit in an enclosed cabin underneath supported ground while barring is done mechanically. Mechanical loading. Loading is done by the mechanical arm and chain conveyor. This means that operators don't need to put themselves in harm's way. Stationary unit. The unit is completely stationary and stabilized by outriggers. This means that the unit can't derail itself or accidentally tip over. Efficient. Labor efficient. A mechanical arm and chain conveyor loads the broken rock into the hoppers. This makes the loading process more efficient. Loading occurs 80 to 100 tons per hour. Speedy cleanups. Development ends can be cleaned up in about 1.5 to 2 hours. Cost effective. Full capacity. Because of the conveyor chain, hoppers are loaded to their full capacity, making tramming more efficient and cost-effective. Maintenance plan. Because the SQL loader is mechanically and hydraulically operated, servicing is easy and cost-effective. Trackless environment. The SQL loader can be utilized as a feeder, feeding conveyor belts at a constant feed rate. The future. When loading is done safely, efficiently, and cost-effectively, we will maximize our yields and increase our profits. GST's reputable and innovative designs will continue changing the way loading is done.